Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitHub mobile app, full guide step by step clearly. Open the GitHub mobile app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, visit your app store and download it. Once the app is open, look for the sign in button on the main screen. Tap on the sign in button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your GitHub username or email address. Carefully type in your username or email. After entering your username or email, tap on the next button. Now, you will need to enter your password. Type in your password securely. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your password, tap on the Sign In button. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to enter the code sent to you. Access your authentication method either an Authenticator app or SMS. Enter the received code in the provided field. After entering the code, tap Verify to continue. You should see a welcome screen, indicating your successful login. Explore the features of the GitHub mobile app. If you encounter any issues, double-check your login credentials. For additional help, visit GitHub's official support page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.